Our Miss Taiwan 2026 will be receiving a bouquet, sash, cash of 50,000 pesos, a Tigo Home Wi-Fi Light modem with 1 month of limited data, and 1 unit of smartphone. Our presenters for the Miss Taiwan 2026 Awards are the following: Honorable John T. Raymond Jr., our Taiwan City Mayor, and Honorable Guzmar Ayan Ihi.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, make way for your new queen. Miss Taiwan 2026 is candidate number 3.
Congratulations to all of tonight's winners, ladies and gentlemen. And tonight, we welcome a new queen.
Which we celebrate 25 years of Taiwan as a city.
We are reminded, ladies and gentlemen, that our